Here we are, the build of the USS Sulaco. I've built one of these before, a giant 5.5 foot long version of it. This time it's going to be a little bit smaller. There's 26 some odd groups in this project. The first one up is the Camel Hump, and it's sponsored by a light red dry wine from France. And lots of busy fingers here, cutting and slicing and dicing and mutilating, spindling, and folding. This particular set of plans was put together by Jan Rukr about 6, 7, 8 years ago, and he did a fantastic job on it. Like I said, this is the second time through that I've done this, so hopefully I'll make a few less mistakes than the last time. But yeah, this one should be about 5 3/4 feet long when it's all said and done. For a lot of the structural pieces, I make some undersized chipboard components and glue them, laminate them to the inside of the part. That adds a lot of strength and a lot of rigidity to it, such that it can support its own weight and handle just how big this thing ends up being. Here comes the front of the camelback. Then here I use a bunch of 1, 2, 3 blocks from a machine shop in order to put some weight on it so that the glue dries and the various slices fit together as tight as possible. Next up will be group 2, and I'm not quite sure when I'll be getting to it, but it'll probably be kind of soon. Have fun!